All right, good morning, boys. Brutal day today. Uh, Lost $600. And I should have just never traded today. We all know Powell speaking today, and we had three red news this morning. We just knew the market was going to be volatile. I mean, look at the wicks. Just look at how this market was moving. Just terrible trading conditions. I was just trying to force. So coming into market open, we were in this 15 and 5 minute bearish fair value gap, or I mean hourly and 15-minute fair value gap. And I was like, man, we want to go lower. And so I entered off this fair value gap and instantly get wicked out. And then it proceeds to dump. I'm not going to lie, that one made me upset. And so then here we swept these lows right here. And then I was waiting for a retest of any fair value gap. The first one was right here, but I was not quick enough to get that entry. By the time if I entered, it would have been like right here. It just wouldn't have been a good entry. And we were still in this fair value gap. Still waiting to inverse it. And so then we retraced into this one, got a decent entry, broke even at these highs just because of how volatile the market was. Took some profit, and now I'm sitting at like down 300. And so yeah, here's where I got greedy. We swept these highs, boys. We came into equilibrium of this range. We tapped it, instantly dumped. And I was like, man, I think we really want to break these lows. So I enter, instantly get wicked out. Of course, I catch the one large retracement of this whole thing, and yeah, proceeds to go and dump to my stop. I mean, my take profit. And yeah, so we are sitting down 600, boys. I think that gives us about 1,400 in drawdown to work with next week. Let's see if news is open for next week. Ooh. Whoa. All right. Definitely not trading Thursday. Definitely not trading Friday. Um, so we have good 3 trading days tomorrow. I mean next week. Hopefully gonna bounce back from that. Um, and yeah, honestly, a brutal day. I'm gonna be making a video for you guys just like I did Sunday because that one was getting a lot of love. So I'm gonna start making more videos like that where I sit down with my actual camera and film for you guys. And yeah, honestly, I'm just very disappointed in myself. I'm gonna be writing in my journal today on how I'm never gonna trade again on these red news days. It's honestly what I suggest for you all. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. The only reason I was taking trades today is because I wanted to get that payout. I was one day away. I went 4 for 4 this week, and I was really looking forward to a payout. And I was like, I really wanted to get there. But now look what I did. This is where most people in trading blow accounts on days like these. At least I have enough control to get off the charts. I mean, I hate how I'm on it even filming this for you guys. I was going to wait to film this later, so because I know what you guys, I mean, yeah, like, I wanted to go long here. Then I would have probably targeted this with a break even here. Maybe scale off a little more here. But it's just creating bad habits. Market, you guys can see it's just not moving good. So now I don't even think I'm gonna look at charts for a bit on these red news days. Like Thursday and Friday next week, I think I'll probably just sleep in. Since I gotta wake up at like 6 my time anyway. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm gonna be getting a video to you either tonight or tomorrow. most likely tomorrow morning, unless I can finish editing it tonight. But on think next week, boys, be getting a week in the life for you guys. If you guys want to see that, I'm gonna try doing that. Just not the best editor, so those videos are a pain. But if you guys want to see that, I'm gonna post that for you guys. But yeah, I'll see y'all this weekend.